Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all for class 10 subject science. So we are going to continue as a topic that is metals and non-metals. I was saying you last that few metals are more reactive, few metals are less reactive. So why they react like that? What is the main reason behind that? So few are more reactive, few are less reactive. So we'll go back to the previous lessons, that is the electronic configuration and the valencies. Okay, the valencies and the electronic configuration. Here you can see the atomic structure of sodium and atomic structure of chlorine. Okay, these are you have learned in the lower class. I'll just say how it is related to reactivity. Now this is in between, it is proton and neutrons together. The electrons are revolving around that is the protons. So here in the first shell, that is the K shell, it has 2 electrons. Then after K it is L shell, it has 8 electrons. And then after L it is the M shell, it is having 1 electron. So this is the electronic configuration of sodium, right? 2, 8 and 1. Here this is similarly, that is the chlorine. Chlorine has, that is 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, and the third shell is 17. To make it stable, the stability comes here. For the reactivity, it starts with the stability. To become stable, you had learned that the last it should be 8 electrons. The outermost, that is outermost orbit should have 8 electrons in it. If it is not 8 electrons, then it is not stable. It will be reactive. Okay, it cannot stay as it is. So here what we have here 1 electron is extra in this. If we remove this, this will become stable. Now see the chlorine here. Chlorine has the outermost, it is 7. We cannot remove all the 7 there. Instead we can add 1 to make it 8. Right? Therefore, it reacts each other. What is happening? It will react each other. That is sodium Na gives 1 electron. This E stands for electron. It is giving 1 electron to whom? To chlorine. So that will accept the 1 electron and it becomes the octet structure. That is in the outermost shell it becomes 8. So it forms, it is giving. If it gives, it will become plus. If it accepts, it will become minus. When it is giving, it will become cation. When it is accepting, it is known as anion. So here, for this, we will give the structure either by the dot or by the X. This X or a dot is refer for the electron. Okay, dot structure, if they ask, you have to do this one. Draw the dot structure of sodium chloride, means you should do this, right? So what I have done, the extra electron I have put a dot here. So this electron is coming to the chlorine here. This X are the outermost electrons in the chlorine. As you can see here, it is the same. So it takes 1 and it combines and becoming the 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Thus it will become stable. So if it is not stable, it will be reactive. So how many electrons will be present? It will be so much more reactive. We'll go for the further example. Okay, as you can see here, the next example I have taken is magnesium. Magnesium chloride. So magnesium will give you, what is the electronic that is configuration is 2L2. So 2 is extra in magnesium. So Mg2 plus and it why 2 plus? Because it is giving out 2 electrons. So it will become 2 plus here. Why this number comes and all, you should remember from the electronic configuration, giving the electrons and accepting the electrons, this numbers in the equation comes. So this shows us, this is giving from its valency, it is giving 2 electrons to the other. Now here, this is chlorine. Chlorine is, as I said you, it has 7. So it will take only 1, right? So 1 chlorine will take 1. But there are 2 electrons. So it attracts 2 chlorines. As you can see here, magnesium, these 2 dots, they are giving the electrons, 2 electrons. And each chlorine is taking 1. So it is attaching, this magnesium is attaching with 2 electrons, 2 chlorine atoms, okay, with 2 chlorine atoms. Therefore, we will write MgCl2. Okay, Cl2 means there are 2 atoms of chlorine which is combined with magnesium, 1 atom of magnesium. This is how the electronic configuration or the dot structure take place. Okay, as you can see in your that is book page number 47, table 3.3, this shows the electronic configuration of some elements. What is the meaning of noble gases? Noble gases is helium, neon and argon. Why it is said noble? Because it is non-reactive. It will not react with metals. Okay, it will not reactive. Because it is not having any extra electron. It is stable. You can see first orbit it is 2 only. So here helium has only 2. No extra electron. So it is stable. Coming to neon 10. So it is 2 and 8. 8 is the octet. That is, if 8 is there, then it is stable. Therefore, this is non-reactive. Noble gases which will not react is known as noble. Coming to metals here. Okay, sodium, magnesium. As I said you, sodium has 281. That is, atomic number is 11. Now for magnesium 12. These metals will give the electrons. Therefore, it will put as plus. Most of the metals will give the electrons. Now coming to non-metals, it has many electrons in its outermost shell. Therefore, the property differs here. It changes to non-metal and it will accept. Therefore, when it accepts, it is known as anion. This will become cation. This will become anion. Metals react with non-metals and it forms. Okay, salt and water. Clear? Okay, based on the ionic, we have some properties. What is ionic compound? That is combining the electrons from one to other. It is known as ionic compounds. The compounds formed in this, that is transfer of electron from a metal to a non-metal, are known as ionic compounds or electrovalent compounds. There are 2 names for that. What is that? Ionic compound or electrovalent compounds. There are some physical properties of this. Now what are these? Let us take one common thing, that is the salt. We know the salt. By seeing salt we can see the physical nature. Keep the salt in mind and go through the points. Now physical nature means ionic compounds. Whenever they are asking the properties of ionic compounds, keep in mind the picture of the common salt what we eat. So by remembering that you can give. Ionic compounds are solid, means salt is solid and somewhat hard because of the strong force of attraction between the electronegative ions. That is nothing but positive and negative ions, you can remember. These compounds are generally brittle and break into pieces when pressure is applied. Okay, the second point, that is melting point. Melting and boiling point, as you can see in the picture here, figure 3.7. So ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point. It has high melting and boiling point. This is because again the same, the electrostatic force, the energy between those 2 ions. The third is the solubility. As you can see in the picture figure 3.8, that is conductivity in salt solution. Solubility is what? Electrovalent compounds are generally soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene, petrol, etc. Solubility means which is soluble in water. So these ionic compounds are soluble in water. The next is conduction of electricity. The conduction of electricity through a solution involves the movement of charged particles. A solution of an ionic compound in water contains ion which move to the opposite electrodes. When electricity is passed through the solution, ionic compound in the solid state do not conduct. Why it will not conduct? Give reason why the solid state metals do not conduct electricity, because the particles cannot move. Okay, the particles in the solid state, it will be stable, it cannot move. Once it is in the molten form or the liquid form, the particles move, therefore the reaction takes place. That is a very important question you should remember. Ionic compound in the solid state do not conduct electricity because movement of ions in the solid is not possible due to their rigid structure. But ionic compounds conduct electricity in the molten state. This is possible in the molten state since the electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite charge ions are overcome due to the heat. Thus the ion moves freely and conduct electricity.